Hey everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Today we're tackling an essential topic, how to clean your groceries. Keeping our food safe is more important than ever, so let's dive into the best practices for cleaning your groceries. First, let's talk about why it's crucial to clean your groceries. Contaminants can come from multiple sources: packaging, handling, and even the transportation process. By cleaning your groceries, you reduce the risk of foodborne illnesses and keep your family healthier. Before we get started, let's gather our supplies. Clean, dry towels, a bowl of water and dish soap, white vinegar, optional, a scrub brush for hard-skinned produce bags for clean items, and food-safe sanitizer spray, optional. Let's start with non-perishable items. For canned goods and jars, simply wipe the outside with a damp cloth or paper towel. This removes dust and bacteria. For items like pasta or rice, there's no need to clean them directly, but make sure the packaging is intact before storing. For any cardboard packaging, such as cereal boxes, just check for damage. If they look good, they're fine as is. Now, let's move on to fresh fruits and vegetables. This is where proper cleaning is most important. Leafy greens. Rinse under cold running water. For items like lettuce, you can soak them briefly to remove dirt. Fruits. For thicker-skinned fruits like apples and oranges, scrub with a brush under running water. This is especially important for fruits that you'll eat without peeling. Berries. Place them in a bowl of water with a splash of vinegar to help eliminate pesticides, then rinse under cold water. Root vegetables. Scrub carrots, potatoes, and beets with a brush to remove dirt and bacteria. Now let's talk about some special considerations. Organic versus conventional. Even organic produce should be washed to remove dirt and bacteria. Packaged produce. If it comes pre-washed, it's still a good idea to rinse it again before eating. Sprouts. These can carry bacteria, so rinse them thoroughly under running water before use. Frozen fruits, veggies. No need to wash these. They're typically processed and ready to use. Once you've cleaned your groceries, how you store them is just as important. Fruits and veggies. Store cleaned produce in breathable bags to prevent moisture buildup. Canned and packaged goods. Keep these in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight.